Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching I Am Cat and going straight to the appearance area. Make sure the app is updated because skins change between versions. Once the game loads, confirm you own the skin or have sufficient currency, coins or gems, so you won't be interrupted mid-change. Tap the menu, then Appearance or Shop, and select skins to view available options. You're taking immediate action to access the skin list. This avoids wasting time on navigation and gets you ready for selection. You now preview the skin on your cat model to check fit and animations. This is critical because some skins alter hitboxes or visual cues. Once you like it, use any color, pattern, or accessory sliders to fine-tune, adjust contrast, hue, or add a hat, because customization affects visibility in matches. Then choose Equip or Purchase. If it's paid, confirm the transaction. You're making deliberate choices so the skin looks and performs how you expect in gameplay. Finish by entering a short match or preview mode to verify the skin displays correctly on your cat and in other players' views. This ensures no surprise visual bugs. If the skin doesn't appear, close the app and restart. Sometimes the cache needs refreshing. If restarting fails, clear the app cache or reinstall. Make sure to note device model, OS version, and game build before contacting support. You'll solve most issues quickly with those steps and clear diagnostic details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.